Okay, doctor. Name and title, please.
My name is Dr. Janet Stoess-Allen. I'm an orthodontist in New York City. My practice is Park Avenue Orthodontics.
Okay. So I would imagine that at Park Avenue Orthodontics you're doing a lot of teeth straightening for some of your younger patients. What are the techniques you use these days?
I'm using a lot of Invisalign, the Invisalign product for teens. I'm also doing some early treatment where I might use an expansion device, but I'm really moving toward treating most of my patients with Invisalign Teen.
And how does Invisalign work?
It works by the Invisalign clear aligners work by incrementally moving the teeth from the starting point until the doctor prescribed finish point. And it's done very incrementally with a series of aligners. So you may have 10 aligners, you might have 15 aligners, you might have 20 aligners, depending on the severity of the case.
How long does the whole process take?
It varies. The process can take anywhere from 6 months to more than 2 years. It really depends on the complexity of the case and how difficult the patient's malocclusion is.
What are the advantages and disadvantages between Invisalign and braces?
The advantages, one of the biggest advantage, I think, with Invisalign clear aligners is that the aligners can be removed. And what we have historically seen with people wearing braces is that they might have some inflammation of their gum tissue from not being able to really properly clean their teeth. With the Invisalign clear aligner system, you're able to take the aligners out for cleaning your teeth, and so we don't end up with any problems with the gum tissue or decay that may form around the brackets. And so I think that's a really wonderful thing about the product.
Now, I have a daughter, and at school, a lot of her friends have started using braces with colored rubber bands, and
right.
It's a big deal for them, and they really like it. Isn't that a disadvantage of something like Invisalign?
Well, what I find in my practice is that the children who are using the Invisalign Teen product are kids who are going through that awkward period of life in adolescence where they're their bodies are changing. They're having lots of different changes going on in their lives. And I think that adding an insult is actually having some braces on the teeth. And with the Invisalign clear aligners, no one really knows that you're wearing them. So I see that as a real strong advantage. Yes, some people want the colors, but the other thing that happens with those children who opt to have braces over an Invisalign clear aligner treatment is that they tire of the colors. They tire of the braces, and they want to know, when am I getting these off? We don't run into that with the Invisalign clear aligner system.
Okay. It's not a cheap prospect. Every parent dreads having to pay for orthodontic procedures. Whether it's braces or Invisalign, it's thousands of dollars. How do parents cope with that cost? Insurance won't cover it, right?
Well, actually, insurance does cover some Invisalign clear aligner treatment, and they will contribute toward the treatment fee. And so you can actually, some of the insurance carriers will pay up to a few $1,000s toward the treatment fee, and leaving the parent with, the rest of the fee. But that's also broken down over a period of months if they choose, at no interest in my practice.
Are we heading for a time when the braces of old that we had when we were kids are just going to be a relic of the past?
I believe that we are. What has happened over the past several years with the Invisalign clear aligner system is that it's the most advanced technology in the world. And I think that what we're finding is that more and more people are calling for the Invisalign clear aligner system and calling it by name. And we're able to treat such very difficult cases now with Invisalign clear aligners that we might not have been able to do many years ago in the infancy of Invisalign. And so I think that what's happening is that with the technology, we're able to treat more and more cases. More and more people want it. And so I do think that eventually braces may become an obsolete product.
Okay. Good place to leave it.